I'm going to demonstrate setting up the current on the stepper motor driver module for a ramp style 3D printer setup. In this case I've got the ramps with the module, as you can see here, set up to go. It only has one module in it. In this case it's plugged into the X-axis location. I've got the firmware loaded on the system and basically running. That's okay. I've got a stepper motor connected to the same location and a multimeter set to the amp range in series with one of the phases of the motor. In this case, the module, we want to set it to a 0.9 or a 900 milliamp per phase setting. Now to do this, first of all, enter the menu. This is Marlin, prepare, scroll all the way down to move axis, go all the way down to the 0.1 millimeter setting, and go to the move X-axis, and we can proceed to do that. Now if we twiddle the knob, we can see the indicator on the motor moving, and we should be able to see a variation in current reading on the multimeter. What we're looking for in this case is just to very gradually move the dial, see the motor move, and adjust it till we get the highest possible reading on the meter. This may take some doing, so we can pause the video at this point and I'll continue to find the highest value. Okay, and here we go. The highest value I've got is 0.89, and that, look, essentially that's where we want it to be. What we'll essentially find that it's something higher. Typically these modules are not calibrated. In this case, using a small screwdriver, adjust the trim potentiometer and adjust till we get the 0.9 of an amp, which is 900 milliamps on the meter. Once we've achieved this, go back into the setting, which has just timed out. Okay, what we're doing now, once we've set the value, is to just continue to scroll through and see if we can cycle the stepper sequence through again and see that the 0.9 is the highest possible value. If you happen to get a value that's higher, by all means adjust it down to 0.9 again. At this stage I haven't found anything higher. The highest has been about 0.88 or thereabouts. In this case I would consider that stepper driver calibrated for the purpose that we want.